just can't stop it.
See if Three Stooges can back out. Guess not.
Oh.
Watch us get like shot out or something.
This is fun to watch.
Watch, it's gonna be like,
This is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube.
This is definitely going on YouTube.
You want to put it on my
Can't
channel?
can't back out, can you? Let's walk up a little bit.
Driving away, James.
See if you can back out of the parking space.
keep walking like we're walking. Keep walking.
Oh, out now.
Oh. You're smart, kid. You're
Dude,
smart.
keep walking like you're walking up the hill so he doesn't notice.
Keep walking. I'll come up there.
Yeah, you'll get raped.
I'll get mauled.
Actually, I know how to stop him from biting me.
Yeah, punch him right in the nose. Tyler, you're in the camera. You're gonna get in the camera.
Oh, whoa! I don't want to be in the camera.
Yeah, no. This is just too funny.
Isaac's just holding it.
This is good.
Isaac, put it down.
No.
He's in the grass. Dude, that guy's...
Ah, he's stuck.
Stuck, ain't ya?
Dude.
Yeah, you stuck.
Oh, he's gonna be paying me damages.
Tearing up the grass. You stuck. You stuck, ain't you?
Need some help, guys? Yeah, once you guys pay that, I'll hear him now. But they're like, why are you watching us? And they're just gonna leave. They're just gonna leave.
Drive away like nothing happened. Got that right. Fuck out of here.